Got the muffler made. Messing around with electronics now. Had an issue with spark. Now we're having an issue with the solenoid. Inventor Matt T came up with a great idea to rewire the bike a little bit to save money. Smart guy there. Thinking about using a garden tractor solenoid. Just a used part that was laying around. He's been going crazy on this wiring system here, checking out everything out. I can't figure that shit out, so I had to call a friend in to help. Been in his shop here for a few days, getting a lot of progress done. Really wasn't what I wanted to go for with the muffler there. But we have had the bike started for a second. We just put gas in the head and it actually sounded alright. So it may be temporary. Might just leave it, not too sure yet. But it works anyway. Got the battery box all mounted up. Really clever design there. Everything's unboltable. Airbox and everything can all come out nice and easy like it should. So yeah, it's really going along good. Got the mounts made up here. Set of flat pieces of steel. Told the gauges from the old Honda onto the Suzuki frame. Just bent some stuff up. And just another piece of flat steel bent up to the bottom. Strong as hell. These are just some cheapo lights, maybe about $2 each. The bike came with blinkers, so why not throw some blinkers in it? In case cops are chasing you, you can fake a left and hit a right. But there it is. Thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe. Take her easy and have a good night. PG out.